what's your take on ONGC, Ambrish, if I can ask you? What's the sense like? Second consecutive day of gains, top nifty gainer even today. Plenty of value is what at least analysts are suggesting, and they've continuously kept suggesting. This is not new. But what's the sense like on ONGC?
See, I mean, typically ONGC, the initial move is clearly, it goes with the oil prices, and we've seen that the oil prices have slowly started inching up. I think that's what is playing out, for the time being on ONGC. But then overall, in fact, I have a decent price target for this. I'm looking at levels of about 330, 340 over the next 6 to 8 months. So even despite the sort of a move which we have seen in the last few days, I think one can still buy at the current levels.
Okay, 3.5. It's been that consistent idea since morning for us. In fact, even yesterday, ONGC, and it's reaped rich dividends for sure. Kush, maybe you did answer, but I just want to ask a specific to you. For somebody who's a short-term trader, is it prudent to take money off the table, or are the charts looking so good that even a short-term trader should carry forth the longs? Amrish's fundamental view I've taken on board. I want the technical trading view.
So, Neeraj, 2 days ago, I was a little skeptical on ONGC when it was around 245 to 50 mark. From there on, the stock's actually gone further high. So, to answer your very specific question, if you're a short-term trader, should you continue to hold on? My answer is yes. The reason being that, despite the kind of bump up that you saw on the back of good volumes from those 220 to 30 odd levels, thereafter the follow through has been quite exciting, not only in terms of the price movement, but also in terms of the volume action. Even in a market like this, the stock trading close to the high point of the day on the back of good volumes, I think this is one trade that you should continue to hold on to. Fresh positions a little skeptical because of the 280, 200 DMA resistance, but once that is taken out, it could go higher. If you've got an existing position, don't be in a hurry to book out. I think you can put a trailing stop loss around the 269 to 268 mark and continue to ride this wave.
Okay, well, let's focus on tech then. But actually, before tech, maybe Ambrish, just one thing, and we'll talk about tech in a moment. Are you expecting something significant from any of the IT companies that you would be looking at personally?
No, surely not significant, but I'm expecting that at least the numbers should be slightly better. I mean, this is like at least one sector where I'm expecting the numbers to be slightly better than what we saw in Q2, and especially from the biggies like Infosys, your TCS, as well as HCL Tech.
Okay. Kush, quick 30-second view. Anything on IT?
HCL, among the big boys, TCS, Infosys, I would continue to avoid. Perhaps post-result, we'll see how this goes.
Okay, let's take a break on that note. Stay on, Jaman. We'll be back in moments from now. Stay tuned, viewers.